We've been misled all this time. Las Vegas, famously known as Sin City, hides a truth behind its glitzy image. Don't rush to book your trip until you've seen this video. Las Vegas is often shrouded in myths, one of the biggest being the belief that the Las Vegas Strip, home to the majority of its lavish casinos and resorts, is located within the city of Las Vegas itself. In reality, most of this iconic strip lies in an unincorporated area known as Paradise, Nevada, a separate jurisdiction from the city of Las Vegas. While the Strip is the heart of Las Vegas's global appeal, drawing millions of visitors to its shimmering lights and extravagant entertainment, the city's history is much richer than just casinos and neon signs. Founded in 1905, Las Vegas began as a modest town in the middle of the desert. Its transformation started in 1931 when gambling was legalized and the construction of the nearby Hoover Dam commenced. This development attracted thousands of construction workers and entrepreneurs eager to capitalize on this booming new economy. In the 1940s and 1950s, developers like Bugsy Siegel played a pivotal role in the rise of iconic resorts such as the Flamingo. Siegel and others helped turn this once quiet desert town into a global hub for entertainment, luxury, and high-stakes gambling. Now, let's talk about the infamous flooding at the Link Hotel parking garage. Many people have pointed to these floods as a design flaw, but surprisingly, this is not a mistake. It's actually a well-planned feature designed to redirect water from the flood channels that run beneath the hotel. When heavy rains hit, the garage acts as a path for the excess water, allowing it to flow across the first floor before being diverted back underground. While the scenes captured on video may seem alarming, this controlled flooding is part of the city's extensive flood management system. Las Vegas has a long history of flash floods, most notably the devastating 1975 flood that swept through Caesar's Palace, destroying hundreds of cars. In response, an underground flood control network was constructed, and the Link Hotel's garage is now integrated into this system. When heavy rain is expected, the garage is closed off to the public, and cars are relocated to ensure that only the parking structure itself is impacted. Though the system isn't perfect, it's the best solution to manage these powerful desert storms without compromising the hotel's foundation. To this day, the flood diversion system at the Link continues to operate as intended, reducing the risk of major flooding in the heart of Las Vegas. Many tourists are often mistaken when it comes to the rules around drinking alcohol in public spaces in Las Vegas. While it's true that you can enjoy a drink in open areas like the Strip, there are strict regulations that must be followed. Drinking alcohol is prohibited within 1,000 feet of schools, hospitals, places of worship, or homeless shelters. Moreover, consuming alcohol inside a private vehicle, including taxis or ride-sharing services like Uber, is also against the law. In addition, glass containers are not allowed on the streets of the Strip or downtown for safety and cleanliness reasons. This law is enforced to prevent glass bottles from being used as weapons and to reduce litter. Only plastic, paper, or aluminum containers are permitted for public drinking in these areas. Another important rule is that drinking alcohol within 1,000 feet of where it was purchased, such as liquor stores, is also illegal. Despite the city's reputation for its vibrant nightlife, there are plenty of ways to enjoy Las Vegas without alcohol. World-class shows, shopping, and recreational activities provide visitors with plenty of entertainment options that don't involve drinking. So while there's some leniency when it comes to public drinking, it's crucial to understand the local laws to avoid any legal trouble. While hotel prices on the Las Vegas Strip tend to climb higher, there's a common misconception that all accommodations are expensive. In reality, you can still find affordable hotels, especially if you book on weekdays. Hotels like Excalibur and Horseshoe frequently offer competitive rates that won't break the bank. However, one thing travelers need to watch out for is the resort fee. Almost all major hotels on the Strip charge this extra fee, which often remains hidden until the final booking stage. Resort fees can add more than $50 per night to your bill, significantly increasing the initially attractive price. Some hotels, like Marriott Grand Chateau and Best Western Casino Royale, do not charge a resort fee, but their overall price isn't always cheaper compared to those that do. This practice has faced criticism for being deceptive since the upfront cost doesn't reflect the true price of your stay. While there have been legislative efforts to ban resort fees, for now, travelers need to remain vigilant about these additional charges that aren't immediately obvious during the booking process. Many people mistakenly believe that slot machines with large, flashy jackpots that appear full are more likely to pay out big wins. However, this simply isn't true. The bright graphics and eye-catching designs of these machines are there purely to draw attention. The outcome of each spin is determined by a random number generator, RNG, which ensures that every spin is independent and random, giving every player the same chance of winning, regardless of how long the machine has been played or how many people have lost before. Another myth is that casinos rig their machines to prevent players from winning big jackpots. This is entirely false. While the odds are structured to favor the house in the long run, players still have legitimate opportunities to hit major jackpots, whether they're locals or tourists. To improve the chances of walking away with some winnings, experienced gamblers suggest playing smart and with discipline. Instead of blowing your budget on one machine, play slowly and stick to a predetermined spending limit. Around the world, there's a widespread myth that anything goes in Las Vegas, including prostitution. This misconception arises from the fact that Nevada is one of the few states in the U.S. where prostitution is legal in some areas. However, the reality is quite different for Las Vegas itself. While prostitution is legal in certain parts of Nevada, it is strictly prohibited in Las Vegas and the greater Clark County area. Nevada is made up of 17 counties, and prostitution is technically legal in only 10 of them. However, only 6 counties allow brothels to operate within their cities or municipalities. Under state law, any county with a population of fewer than 700,000 people, according to the most recent 10-year census, is permitted to issue licenses for brothels. Las Vegas is located in Clark County, which had a population of over 2 million as of the 2020 census. Because of this population threshold, prostitution cannot be legalized in the city. However, neighboring counties like Nye County, with a population of around 50,000, allow licensed brothels to operate legally. One of the more well-known examples is the Chicken Ranch, a legal brothel in Pahrump, Nye County. While Las Vegas is world famous for its entertainment, indulgence, and extravagant lifestyle, the law clearly prohibits prostitution within its borders. Yet, the myth of unrestricted freedom in Sin City persists in popular imagination. Another popular myth about casinos is that they pump extra oxygen into the rooms to keep players gambling for longer. While this rumor is widespread, there's no evidence or mechanism to support such a claim. In fact, pumping pure oxygen into an enclosed space like a casino would be highly dangerous due to the increased risk of fire. Oxygen is extremely flammable, and adding more of it to a crowded environment would significantly heighten the chance of a catastrophic fire hazard. Although casinos don't pump extra oxygen into their rooms, they do have plenty of other tactics to keep visitors playing longer. One of the most common techniques is the deliberate design of the casino interior to make players lose track of time. This is done by eliminating windows and clocks from the gaming floors, making it difficult for gamblers to realize how long they've been sitting at the tables or machines. This subtle manipulation keeps players engaged without them being fully aware of the passage of time. In addition, bright lighting, the constant sound of slot machines ringing, and even specific scents that are pumped through the ventilation system are all carefully crafted to create a comfortable and stimulating atmosphere. These factors are designed to elevate players' moods, keep them feeling energized, and subtly encourage them to keep. Another myth about Las Vegas is that it's not a suitable destination for children or families. Because of its reputation for nightlife, casinos, and adult entertainment, many believe that Las Vegas is strictly an adults-only playground. However, this view is not entirely accurate. The city actually offers a wide variety of family-friendly attractions and activities that are great for kids and parents alike. While it's true that casino floors and bars aren't intended for children, there are many options in the city where families can have fun together. One example is the Adventure Dome at Circus Circus, an indoor amusement park featuring roller coasters and a range of exciting games. At Excalibur, families can enjoy the Tournament of Kings, a dinner show with live action that transports guests into a medieval jousting tournament. And for those looking for more thrills, the New York Hotel and Casino has a roller coaster and an arcade, providing hours of entertainment for younger visitors. Many people unfamiliar with Las Vegas might assume that the city is just a sprawling collection of casinos and luxury resorts, with no real local community. However, the reality is quite different. Las Vegas is home to a vibrant, diverse community. Clark County, which includes the city of Las Vegas, has a population of around 2.25 million residents who form a tight-knit, proud local community. While many work in the entertainment and tourism industries, the residents of Las Vegas lead active, everyday lives and are involved in various aspects of the city beyond the neon lights of the Strip. Additionally, there are plenty of misconceptions about Las Vegas's weather, with many people assuming it's always scorching hot. It's true that summer temperatures can be extreme, often reaching between 110 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. But winters in Las Vegas can be surprisingly cold, with temperatures sometimes dipping below freezing and occasional light snowfall. If you're visiting in the winter, it's important to bring warm clothing. As for swimming pools, the pool season typically runs from March through October, with many pools closing during the colder months. Dining out in Las Vegas doesn't have to break the bank, contrary to popular belief. While the city is renowned for its high-end restaurants and extravagant buffets, there are plenty of affordable and delicious dining options available. In fact, Las Vegas is often ranked among the top 10 cities in the US for food, offering a wide variety of culinary experiences at all price points. From indulgent, all-you-can-eat buffets that cater to every taste, to Michelin-starred restaurants that deliver world-class dining experiences, the city's food scene has something for everyone.